great with traffic on Little 1.1. The waves. Broadcasting live from the WGU Ohio studio.
An Urban One station, minority controlled and operated, and serving the African American community for over 40 years.
This is 101.1 The West.
Hi, can I just get the early bird special? Y'all still got that? Is that 7?
Yes, with the car wash.
Okay.
Very good, man. That would be $7.
Okay. Thank you.
We also get you some free. Price per wash here is just $6 here.
Oh.
And the 2 extra tickets you get in there.
Nah, not today, honey.
Very good. So that puts you those run for the next 2 days.
Oh, okay.
Very good. Go get you all cleaned up today.
Thank you. You too. Hey, my YouTube family. Just getting my car washed. Okay. Thank you. Yes, washing my dirty car, y'all. It is super dirty. And they have the early bird special for $7, so I'm doing that. And I haven't washed my car in probably about like 2 months. So how my YouTube family doing today? Good, I hope. It's the day after Thanksgiving. Got a lot of Black Friday shopping, but they doing a lot online though. Where I'm at, they doing a lot online because them stores be crazy, y'all. Super crazy. Even some people be even fighting and stuff over that stuff. It's not even that serious for me. I mean, I do my shopping online anyway. Yeah, they gave me this because it's good deals on there, but I said I'm gonna do that next time. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, yeah. Elmo down here waiting on me. Yes, got it all clean and I'm ready to go. And I'll be back, y'all. See y'all on the next video. Bye.